Today going to hope you enjoy. I'm going to show you my dog. Remember this challenge.